Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So, day before yesterday, on Saturday, I think we were discussing about what?
Offer
Keeper.
the
Shopkeepers.
shopkeepers when
So he gave what he gave invitation to offer. It's not an offer. So be clear with this time. Invitation to an offer is different from offer. Offer is different and invitation to offer is different. Clear?
Ma'am, advertising auction sales are
ma'am,
Yes.
invitation to
advertisement in a
Invitation to offer.
newspaper is
Invitation to
also
offer.
Madam, hotel
invitation to
menus,
offer,
madam.
right?
Invitation to offer.
Ma'am, house
If
for
you select,
sale, whether it is
huh?
offer invitation to offer.
House for sale is offer. If house for sale is offer,
Okay.
see, house for sale is nothing but where the person intentionally that he is ready to sell so and so house, he is giving that I want to sell my property. This is located so and so here. If you are ready to purchase the offer, please contact me with the details. But in case of invitation to offer, he is not specifically giving one information. He is giving list of items he is selling. So he is telling
We
that
will bargain. He will not give discount, no, ma'am. We will only bargain.
Clear, Harini?
Yes,
So, ma'am,
ma'am.
invitation to see an apartment for sale or rent, what it is? It is also an
That
invitation
is
to offer.
offer only. That is
Offer.
offer only.
That is
Offer.
offer. Rajeshwari. So Rajeshwari,
Ah,
if
yeah,
if you
ma'am.
clearly going to purchase the property which has been advertised, he is giving the number of items, or he is specifically telling about the property which he wants to sell.
He's telling us the specific property, like,
Specifically means that he has decided what to sell. Then the offer starts from that person. See here, so he is not giving the list of items. Na? When the list of items are given, then it is called invitation to offer. Out of that list, you have to select a particular thing.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, if he specifically decided what he wants to sell, then the offer starts from that person only. See, as the person is giving 10 items list, he's selling 10 bakeries, 10 types of pastries. Out of he's not specifically telling, I want to sell this black forest to you. Would you like to be means it's an offer. He's just giving a card. He's telling that these are the items which I'm telling. Now you decide which you want to select. If the selection will start, if I have selected, then the offer starts from me, because he is giving the list but not the particular item. So that's why it is called invitation to offer, but it's not an offer. Out of that list, if I select one thing, that is offer starts from me.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Got it?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are called essentials of a valid offer. And we'll continue with this one. What are the different types of offers are there? Different types of offers are there. See, when we have discussed about the different types of contracts, I hope that everyone remember, those who attended the class, what are the different types of contracts are there? Do you?
Yes, ma'am.
Express contract,
Express
quasi
contract,
contract,
implied contract,
executive
everything.
contract.
First offer starts express offer or implied offer. Express offer means if I'm offering my friend, I'm telling to my friend, I send a message to her. WhatsApp message. I want to sell my book for written notes. I have written notes of so and so contract one subject. Would you like to buy? The cost of the book is 500 rupees. Complete notes is there. So she is a student. Imagine her daughter is she is a student of law. Now I am sending a message whenever any offer is made, either a written form or oral form. That offer is called what? It is called expressed offer. It is called what? Express offer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever one person makes an offer to the other party, either written form or oral form. I can ask the same thing to my friend by making a call also. Orally also I can ask her. I can simply say her that I want to sell my pen. Would you like to buy the pen? Means it's an oral. It's neither written nor it's not written, but it's oral. So the express is nothing but when you write something, or when you give the information orally through your mouth. So that is known as the express offer. And implied offer means See, as I told you, example, na, when you go into the bus, when you get into the bus, implied offer means the bus
Yes.
conductor
Understanding. Identity of
not
mind.
ask you, he will not give you the paper to sign the paper, or he will not say that I want to sell the ticket. He will never tell anything. The moment that we will enter, he will come to our place, he will only give the ticket. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the offer which is neither written nor oral, but by the conduct of the parties, we have to understand it is an offer. So that offer is called implied offer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. General offer, specific offer. General offer means whenever the information is given to large number of public, to large group of public, to the public entire, అంటే మొత్తం public కి ఏదైనా ఆఫర్ చేస్తే, see we have discussed one case లాను లక్ష్మీదత్ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ వర్సెస్ గౌరీదత్. సో లక్ష్మీ శుక్లా వర్సెస్ గౌరీదత్ కేసులో ఏం చెప్పాను, he will give the advertisement in the newspaper. Yes or no? So it's an offer to the general, it's an offer to the general public. Whoever is going to find out, whoever is going to search the boy, I will pay the price amount to that person. Okay, so it's an offer whenever the offer is given to the public at large, and మొత్తం అందరికి ఇచ్చేసారు advertisement. So that offer is known as a general offer. That is called what? General offer. And what is the meaning of specific offer? Whenever Mr. A told to Mr. B that I want to sell my horse to you, it's a specific offer. One person is giving offer to one person, to single person. So when the person is specifically to whom the offer is given, that only one person offer is given, that is known as a specific offer. And you know the people to exactly to whom you are giving the offer. But in case of general offer, it is given to the entire public. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when it's given to the public, that is called general offer. When it's given to the single person, specific offer. So what happens here, I'll tell you one case here. So actually ఏమైందంటే, I'll tell you one famous law, Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. So in case of specific offer, if Mr. A offers to the Mr. B that he wants to sell the pen, means who has to give the acceptance?
Madam.
Mr. B.
Mr. B has to. So Mr. B has to make a call, or otherwise he has to message to Mr. A, yes, I am ready to purchase your pen. So here the specific person, because the offer is given to only one person, that one person has to give the acceptance to the one person. Yes or no? Two parties are only there. నేను మీకు
Yes,
ఇస్తే మీరే నాకు కాల్ చేసి చెప్తారు, yes, I am ready to purchase a pen from you. Okay. But when it comes to general offer ఎంతమందికి ఇచ్చారు? ఎంటైర్ పబ్లిక్ ఇచ్చారు. ఎస్ఆర్ నో?
Yes, madam.
So how many people will come? If only one single person is there, single person will come and he will say yes, I am accepted. But when general public ante, how many people will come and how many will message to that person, yes, I am ready to your proposal, yes, I am ready to your proposal. How many of you will make a call? So in case of general offer, the person to whom the offer is made, there is no condition that he has to specifically give the information to the offerer that he got accepted. Listen the word carefully. There is no condition that the offeree has to specifically give the information to the offer that he has accepted. He will do something which is proposed by the offerer, that itself is a acceptance. If he will do something which is proposed by the offerer, that itself is acceptance. Take the case of Lalman Shukla versus Gauridat. What is the offer? If you are going to search the boy, if you are going to bring the boy again to my home, I will pay you the prize money. So now tell me, so and so person, he don't know, actually he never know about the offerer. But what he has to do? If he is ready to accept the offer, he has to start searching. Is there no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
He will search the boy, he will come to the house of the Lalman Shukla. If he say, yes, I am, because you gave the advertisement, basing on your proposal, I started doing the action. What is the action? I searched for the boy. Now I am handovering the boy to you. Now pay me the prize money. That's it. Offer is over. So that's what it is telling. In case of a general offer, if the person accepts the offer, there is no condition that he should come to the offerer. అంటే నేను నా దగ్గరకు వచ్చి చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు. నేను చెప్పింది చేస్తే చాలు. If you are going to do something, whatever I said, that it means you are accepted. Got it?
Ma'am.
Doubt is it? Shall I explain this with the help of an example?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay. See what happens. Actually, one company is there. Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇప్పుడు ప్రస్తుతం కరోనా ఉంది కదా, ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈస్ సఫరింగ్ లైక్ వీఆర్ సీయింగ్ దిస్ పాండమిక్ నో. సో అప్పుడు ఆ కాలంలో ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్జియా అని ఒకటి, దిస్ ఇస్ అ కేస్ ఓ ఇన్ 18th సెంచరీ, మేబీ 17th సెంచరీ కేసు. అప్పుడు ఆ టైంలో కూడా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్జియా అని ఒకటి వచ్చింది, ఒక వ్యాధి. సో ఇట్స్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్
मैम मैम इंग्लिश और हिंदी प्लीज.
हिंदी में बोलना.
हाँ चलेगा हिंदी में, अगर सबको समझ में आता है तो हिंदी में बोलो चलेगा.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
English, madam.
इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे. सी
हाँ बेस्ट.
कुछ भी नहीं, स्पेस ना खोल दे तो सामान्य स्पेलिंग हिंदी, सामान्य स्पेलिंग तेलुगु. సో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో వాడగలం ఇంగ్లీష్. So this is case called Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. So during the 7th century, like how we are facing corona, that time also the people faced one problem, one kind of disease called influenza. So what happened? One company, they are manufacturing medicines. They gave an offer in the newspaper that we are manufacturing one kind of tablet. We are manufacturing tablets. So who are going to purchase our medicine, who are going to use our medicine, they will not get affected with this influenza. So what is the offer? Purchase our medicine. We are manufacturing this medicine. Purchase our medicine. If you use our medicine for 3 months continuously, you will not get influenza. Okay, that was the offer which was given in the newspaper. So one old lady,
like our corona.
exactly, corona kit. So this old lady, she has purchased, one old lady. Okay, she purchased those tablets. She used those tablets for 6 months, not for 3 months. 6 months she used it. Actually, I was not there at time. I don't know how many months she used, but in case if they gave, she used the medicine. Okay, after using the medicine, she got influenza. She got that disease. Now she filed a case against the company. And what was the offer? They gave the offer that whoever is going to purchase the medicine, use our medicine for 3 months, you will not get influenza. If you will get the influenza, we will pay the compensation. $100 compensation will pay. So that.
But she has used it for 6 months, no. So she has filed.
So minimum 3 months. Minimum 3 months. If you use more than that, you should not get forever.
Okay.
You should not use less than 3 months. If you use more than 3 months, it's well and good. Okay, so 3 months she used the medicine and she got influenza. Now she went to the company and said that I want that compensation amount, the amount which you declared that I will not get the disease. I used your medicine, but still I got the influenza. Now the directors of the company say that we will not make any compensation because when you are using the tablets, you did not come to us. You didn't tell us that you are purchased using the material. You did not give your acceptance. So the lady went to the court and she filed a case against the company. The court said that is it a specific offer? Means whether the directors gave the specific offer to that lady. Did they give?
No, ma'am. General offer.
So what is the condition? You said that in the newspaper, in the advertisement, clearly you said that use our medicine. Use our medicine. If you use, you will not get the disease. If you get the disease, we will pay the compensation. So what she did, she, as you told to purchase the medicines and use the medicine, she did it. She purchased it or not? She used it or not?
Yes, used.
Yes. So in case of general offer, no need to go to the person who gave the offer. She is not required to go to the directors and tell, see, I purchased your medicine, I'm using your medicine. No need to tell. If she is going to do the action which is mentioned in the advertisement, that is equal to that itself is an acceptance. That's it. That itself is an acceptance. You cannot say later on, you cannot say that I will not pay the compensation because you did not come to our office, you did not give the information. The moment that she purchased the medicine itself is an acceptance. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Good example.
Ma'am, generally this Naptol and all same kind of ads will come. We can shoot a case on that also.
Yes, we can file a case on them. It's a general offer. If it is a general offer, if they're not going to comply with the requirements as being advertisement, if they're not up to that, we can file a case against them in the consumer court.
The same things where if you look at the third statement.
Okay, it's like for those matters relating to the products and everything, Consumer Act is there, Consumer Protection Act 1986. There you can go and file a case, but you will get the protection. It's a general offer. Okay, the company cannot say మీరు వాడినప్పుడు కొనుక్కున్నప్పుడు మా దగ్గరకు వచ్చి did you say to us, the company later on it cannot change its words. It has to comply with.
Again, they put that conditions apply, no, ma'am?
Yes, conditions apply. That's why they are also on safe side. You have to check those conditions. If you say okay, because once you accepted to the terms of agreement means you cannot do anything later on. You have to go through the conditions. That's why, see, whenever you see the advertisement in the relating to the this one mutual funds advertisement in the TV, what they will say? First they will say purchase the mutual funds. It's going to benefit your children, your family. Finally, they will read one sentence very fast. Have you seen ever observed?
Yes. Even in mutual fund application also there will be acknowledgement, acceptance acknowledgement.
So what do they say? Mutual fund investments are subjected to market risk. So please read the offer document. Did they say or not?
Hopefully, yes, ma'am. Yes.
As a consumer, when you are purchasing something,
Terms and conditions applied.
terms and conditions applied. So you just check them. They're not telling don't comply with the condition. Yeah, they will ask. They are telling that go through the conditions. Then only accept the proposal. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
General offer is nothing but when it's given to the entire public, and a specific offer is nothing but when it's given to the specific person. I hope that everyone is clear with this concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Next one, counter offer. Counter offer means, see what happens. If Mr. A makes an offer to the Mr. B that I want to sell my car for 1 lakh rupees. How much?
1 lakh. 1 lakh
1 lakh
rupees.
rupees. Now, Mr. B again he wrote a letter to Mr. A. I am ready to purchase your car, but I want to purchase that for 80,000. Would you like to sell your car for 80,000? So, counter offer means one person makes an offer to the other person, and the other person again he will make an offer to the offerer.
OLX
So, will not
offers.
give so what is happening? Who is the offerer? First person is the offerer. What is the duty of the second person? He has to accept the terms as it is provided by the offerer. If you accept it, say I have accepted. If you are not accepting, say I am not interested. But you cannot change the terms of the offer. Again, you cannot give the offer to the offerer. What he is doing? He is giving offer to the offerer only. He is not giving acceptance. He is not becoming offering. He is becoming offerer again. So Mr. A said to Mr. B that I want to sell my car for 1 lakh rupees means Mr. B duty is what? Either he has to say yes or either he has to say no. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
he did, he wrote a letter. I am ready to purchase your car. But I want to purchase for 80,000. Would you like to sell your car? So it is nothing but counter offer. This is the offer in which the offerer will become again the offeree. The offerer will only become the offeree. The counter offer is the offer when the acceptor, the person, the offeree, instead of accepting the offer, he will make another offer to the offerer. So that offer is known as a counter offer. So both are not valid. Counter offer is not at all valid. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Counter is not valid.
Yes, ma'am.
Counter offer is nothing but whenever offerer will make an offer to the offeree will change the terms. He will make another offer to the offerer. So counter offer is not accepted. Because you are being an offeree, be an offeree. Acceptance is who? You have to give the acceptance, or otherwise you can reject. But don't give another offer to the offerer.
Kind of bargaining, madam.
Huh?
Kind of
Kind of
bargaining.
bargaining. So where is the offerer? The whole intention of the offerer will fail now. Offerer is ready to sell the car for 1 lakh rupees. Just say yes or no. That's it. If you are not ready, he will make an offer to the other party. Why you are giving another offer? Yes or no?
But
Understand?
sometimes it happens, no, ma'am.
This offer is not held valid, right? It is completely void.
What?
This is not a valid offer, no?
It's void.
Void, no?
Yes, it's void. Because
So, madam, counter offer is not valid in all cases, every cases.
That depends on the offerer. Sometimes what will think, okay, our car is only okay if you are ready to sell your car for 1 lakh, but the person to whom the offer is made is your relative only. If he say that I want to purchase the car for 80,000, if you think that your car is that much of value that you can sell to the others for 1 lakh, you will say no, I will not accept your offer. But otherwise, if you think, okay, he is my relative only, no, let the sell the car for 80,000. It will not fetch more than that. Then you can sell. So here, what happens? The offer is rejected or accepted. That depends on the person who is making an offer. Understand?
Right.
Is
Yes,
rejected
ma'am.
or accepted?
Yeah. If the initial offerer is accepting the counter offer, then counter offer is valid, right?
Yes, it is valid. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Actually, the act is
In
telling
that case, there is no counter offer, na?
no counter offer. No counter offer now. The other party will become the offerer now.
Correct. Right.
The other person will become the offerer.
So that
And this person, he will become the
we will
offerer.
become offerer
Acceptance. Yeah.
and it will become the offeree. If
Yes.
correct, no?
If it is accepted, okay, that will become a valid contract. If it is not accepted, simply he can say that I'm not ready to accept your offer. I'll sell my car to some other person. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is cross offer. Cross offer means two parties. What is happening? Two parties. Mr. A told Mr. B that he wants to sell his furniture for 10,000 rupees. He makes an offer. So he send a letter to that person. So Mr. B, without knowing the offer, and he doesn't know, he made an offer through WhatsApp, or otherwise he sent a letter with the same terms. He made an offer to Mr. A. If because you have that furniture at your home now, you are not using, however, that I want that furniture. Would you like to sell that furniture for 10,000? So here is what is happening. One person is making an offer, the other person, without knowing that offer, with the same terms and condition, the other party is also making an offer. Same terms. So that offer is called what? That offer is called cross offer. Crossing each other.
On which issue of law, the petition.
Understand?
So that is.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Counter offer is nothing but in counter offer, the other party is changing the terms. But here in cross offer, both the parties, without knowing each other, that other party is offering and this person also don't know the other person is offering. The both are making the offer. Cross offers are not valid offers because in case of agreement, what is the condition? There should be offer, there should be acceptance. Then only it is called an agreement, no?
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
But in case of cross offer, both are the offerers only. Who is the person who has to give the acceptance? Who is the person? So that is not a valid offer at all. So it is a different thing. Well, both the parties will sit together, they will decide, okay, you made an offer, na? I will cancel my offer. Now I will accept, I will sell my furniture for 10,000. That is a different thing. But cross offers are those offers where two parties, without knowing each other, they will make the offer of the same terms, same conditions. So as the Contract Act is telling that agreement is equals to offer plus acceptance. But in cross offers, both are offerers only. There is no acceptor. So that is not a valid offer. Cross offers are not valid offers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't get confused with counter and cross. Counter offer law, the acceptor will change the terms and he will make another offer. But in case of cross offer, both the parties don't know about the offer, but they are offering to each other. So there is no offeree. Both are offerers only.
And cross and counter both are not valid offers, no?
We cannot call them as valid offers. It depends on the conclusion.
Acceptance.
It depends on the acceptance by the each of the parties.
Ma'am, in the cross offer, the initial offer can be a general offer and also a specific offer. Both can be.
No, it is always specific offer only. How can it going to be a general offer?
Okay.
In case of general offer, how can the public will make an offer? You tell me. In case of cross offer, what I said, one person is offering about the product that at the rate he wants to sell, and the other party is also ready to buy the same thing at the same price. Both are making the same offers. But in case of general offer, you are making an offer to the entire group of public. Is it possible that the entire group of the public will come with the same offer?
Not entire group, but
No,
one or two people can come, right?
How can they can do the approach?
Without knowing about the general offer.
Tell me any offer that you made to any company. Do you know about anything? Like, tell me, is there any general offer which is cross offer?
No, ma'am. I don't think of, but I'm just checking.
In case of specific or offer only, these things will happen. That may be the
Okay.
counter.
So
that may be
cross
the
offer happens only during specific offers.
Specific offer. When you are giving to only to a specific group of people or to a specific person.
Okay. Okay.
So we have done with what? We have done with what is the meaning of an offer, what are the essentials of an offer, and what are the different types of an offer also. So how many different types of offer we have studied? It may be express or it may be implied, and it may be general or it may be specific, or it can be counter offer, it can be cross offer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam.
Hope that everyone understood the concept called offer. Okay, essentials of valid offer, what is the meaning of offer, what are the different types of offer, which is very important from your exam point of view. In small, like in short questions, they'll ask you about the counter or cross offer. Just go through the books and read them. If any doubt is there, ask me. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, again, one question here. In the oral offer, when somebody offers orally, we call that as a express offer. So if some offer is given in written on paper, what do we call that?
Express only.
Only.
The express is offer is nothing but you are expressing
oral or
you are
written?
expressing either through orally or written form. That is
Okay,
express only. When the contract, the offer which is neither written nor oral, but by the conduct of the parties, we have to understand that there is a contract or that there is an offer. It's called an implied offer. So whether it's a written or oral, it's called express offer only.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
Okay. So tomorrow I'll continue with the class. Next I'll like offer we have done with acceptance. I'll do tomorrow. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thank
In
you.
acceptance, we don't have types of acceptance will not be there. After that, I'll try to finish the revocation of offer and acceptance also, which is very important topic. Tomorrow we'll finish that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just don't listen and leave the topics whatever that we are discussing, because we have done with the essentials of valid contract and what is a definition of a contract. How many like types of contracts are also there. What is an offer, what are the different types of offer, what are the essentials of valid offer. So whatever that we have studied till now, it's maybe more than 15 marks syllabus which we have done with. Don't attend the classes, leave the it's a very like when you read, then only you can remember. At least you just go through that. Okay. It's a very dry subject. Okay, it's a very good subject, but it's a dry subject. Try to go through
Interesting
whatever
subject, madam. Interesting
Yes,
subject.
yes. But at the time of writing, unless you don't study at least for once, you'll not able, because this is going to be your first exam. Okay? You will get the confidence. Your confidence will be decided by the contract one only. Because it's your first exam. If you write well now, you'll get the confidence. Yes, we can write the exams well. So that's what I'm telling. Just go through what we have discussed. Just discuss at least in the classroom with your friends or anyone, so that you cannot forget what we have studied.
Yes, madam.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Okay.
how many classes are over?
Four classes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Four classes are completed.
I'm standing offer.
Law
I'm
of
standing
thoughts.
offer.
Huh?
Law of thoughts is
Standing
pending,
off.
ma'am.
Stand.
Law of thoughts is pending, ma'am. 4 sessions are completed.
All are completed. Law of thoughts. Sir will take the class. So tomorrow, as I told you, just go through the different types of offer. If any doubt is there, ask me. Tomorrow I'll start with the acceptance and revocation of offer and acceptance. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm standing offer is not required, ma'am.